Hi guys! So, ngayon, maglalaro ulit tayo ng shawarma. So, pagpasensya na kung 3 days akong walang paramdam sa YouTube channel. Kasi meron na akong malaking problema na pinagdaanan the whole 3 days na yun. So, pasensya na. So, ngayon, nagbabalik ulit ako. So, meron tayong kasama. So, what's your name?
Yan.
Okay, so ngayon maglalaro kami ng shawarma. So ano pang iniintay natin? Simulan na natin tong laruin. Dito tayo, siyempre single tayo. Aray! Single! Di, joke lang. Malay nyo soon.
Ha?
Okay?
Okay, ilaw.
Bye.
Okay.
So, full ship yata tayo. Hindi ko na napindot yung ano. Okay? So, ayan na. Nagbabalik tayo sa shawarma. Okay, hello. So, balik tayo dito. Okay?
Ilaw.
Okay. Okay, nagbabalik ulit tayo ngayon dito. Okay.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk.
Okay,
Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers
Turn on
just
the grill.
love their shawarma
Yeah.
hot.
Yeah.
Great. Now open the window. Let everyone know you're ready.
Let's open the window ulit.
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly.
Ay, ano
just
pa
like
naman na yung mga rules dito?
And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps
mali.
the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift.
Okay, so skip natin tong ano natin. Skip natin tong tutorial kasi alam ko naman yan. Okay. So we're now just waiting to the customers to arrive. Wow, nag-i-English. Nag-i-English si Idol. Okay. Okay, si Kuya. Mukhang broken, Kuya.
One shawarma, please.
Are you okay, Kuya?
Sorry, I hope I'm not taking too
Yeah,
much
are
of
you
your time.
okay?
Okay lang, that's
You can
okay.
take your time, really.
Okay lang, okay lang.
150.
Are you okay?
Okay, Kuya, you're ano naman? Mukha namang okay, pero ba't parang broken kaya yata, Kuya? So, okay, kuha tayo, okay? Bata natin shawarma. Para kay Kuya, ay wala pala tayong ano. Wait lang po, Kuya. Wala po ako ng ng meat natin. Wala tayo ng meat. Okay. So, tingnan natin dito. Kuha tayo nito, ng labash. Tapos ngayon ay itong labash ulit. Ah? Hindi. Salad yata yun. When, roll yun na natin to.
Hey.
Yan.
Yan.
So, bigyan na natin kay Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. Ingat kayo at
Thank you.
kayo mag-ingat-ingat
Sorry
sa...
if I bothered you.
Okay lang yan. Ikaw,
I
Kuya.
really appreciate it.
Okay, ito. So, ikaw, Kuya, mag-ingat ka. Italy kayo medyo broken. Ingat-ingat kayo, Kuya. So, feel ko may angat dito. Okay, wala naman. Wala pa naman ang maangat dito. Kupal yung umangat dyan eh. Sobrang kupal. Super. Okay. So, our first customer ay goods naman. Uy, bago to ah. Ito yung mga nakita natin nung nakaraan. Nung first video ba? First shawarma game ko. Oh, wait lang, ano yun?
Two shawarma.
Wait. QQ, wait lang. Ano tayo? Kung saan ito?
What? You judging me or something? Everyone else eats trash and know what's good.
Got it. 300.
Di, ano gina-judge? Di ka namin gina-judge.
Ha?
Oo, teka. Ano yan? Wala kang pants. Oh, you're weird, ha? You're weird. Feel ko anomaly to, tol. Kasi, oh my god. Okay, pero pagbentahan pa rin natin kasi mukha naman siyang gutom. Kuha tayo ng cheese. Tayo salad. O, salad nga. Lagyan natin sa lavash. Kuha tayo ng meat. Lagyan natin dito sa ano. Okay. Yan na, kuya. Dalawa. Oh my God. Grabe ka. Di ka ba...
Ano ba?
Di ka ba tataba lalo niyan, kuya? Pero okay na din yan siguro. Para mas at least healthy ka. Ayun na, bigay mo na kay kuya.
Here's your sugar.
Okay, salamat po.
Huh, not great, honestly.
Oh.
And way too expensive for what it is.
Ang
I'll
gagawin
eat
ko.
anyway.
Ang gagawin ko kung
Next
expensive,
time,
huwag ka na
I expect
bumili
discount.
dito. Nung discount. Diyan naman parang bagong tuli maglakad. Malis ka na dito. Kanina, judge ngayon mahal. Balusin kita dyan.
Ayos ka.
Mayos ka.
Uy.
Oh,
One
Hi.
shawarma, please, and make it quick.
wait, ano yun nasa ano? Ba't parang
I'm
may
already
pudilo?
late because of work.
Long shift.
Yeah, boss kept me overtime again. At least I'll get some food before heading home.
No.
Okay, ano yung nasa... ba't may puti? Oh my God.
Soda.
Lalag ka.
So,
Got it. The soda is 50. Total 200.
I think this is anomaly. Anomaly yata to. I think this is anomaly. So, check natin sa loob. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko anomaly to. Te, anomaly ka ba, te? Anomaly ka ba, te? Let's see. O, dyan naman siya mga anomaly. So pagbila na natin. Te, sorry kung napatagal ako. Kala ko ikaw ay isang anomaly. Pagpasyensyahan mo na ako. Kasi ako ay masyadong nanja-judge. Nanja-judge, di joke lang. Kinikilatas ko lang kayo. Kasi ba may anomaly kayo eh. Pa-anomaly kayo eh. I'm just making sure na tao kayo. Ba? Okay. Ngayon na, te.
Water.
Okay, ayan na. Bigyan na natin yan kaya... Ay, may soda pa pala. Sorry. Take one. Here you go.
Here's your. Good.
Okay. So far, it's goods naman. Oy, puti ka! What the that? Oh my God. Gulat ako doon. Visit na yan. Sorry ah. Pamura tuloy ako. Visit na yan.
One shawarma, please,
Yeah.
and make it.
Ano yan?
I'm already late because of work.
Long shift.
Ano yan?
Yeah,
Ito ba
but
yung si Vice Ganda ba to? Si Girly?
at least I'll get some food before heading home.
Goodness gracious. Lala.
Soda.
Hello.
Got it. The soda is 50. Total 200.
Oh my God, pagbentahan ko ba to? Tinawas na, oh my God. Oh my God, sir. Ano nangyari sa... Oh my God. So, pagbentahan ba? Mukha naman siyang... Okay, mukha naman siyang okay. Mukha naman siyang okay.
Rule 5. If a thick fog appears, do not go outside under any circumstances. And lastly, only serve a customer if you are certain they are human. Welcome.
Okay. I think you're not... I think tao ka naman. Ito po ang yung order. I forgot something. Kailan niyo po ba nas... Uy, naboss yung pinto. Baka may pumasok dyan. Baka mamaya may pumasok dyan. Okay? Soda.
Here's your.
Okay?
Good.
Good. Bye. Sabi ni anomaly yun eh. Sabi ni. Basta pag may ganon, wag nyo nang, basta pag may oh my God, wag na ipag-serve yung mga ganon.
Patay siya. Patay. Patay.
Oh my God. Lang.
Hello, one shawarma, extra sauce, please.
Nope, you're anomaly.
100.
Tinumi mo ka mo. Tinumi mo ka mo. Oh my god, you're anomaly. You're anomaly, Demo. Look at your face.
I can put it back if that makes you more comfortable.
I don't care. Lumayas ka na dito. Please lang. Lumayas ka na. Please, please. Just get out. Just get out. Please, get out. Please, please, please. Lumayas ka muna. Just get out. Just get out. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, siga oh.
One shawarma.
Oh my god. You're not a ano. You're
You
not.
hear that
Look at
buzzing too, or is it just here?
look at your outfit, man.
You hear the buzzing too, right?
I don't care. Just get out, please.
It
Get
gets
out.
louder when I'm hungry.
Wala akong pakip. Mas ka na. O, diba tama ako? Diba? Kasi nga, di ka tao. So, pag may ganun sarado na lang natin pag ano. Pag ganun. Ulo.
One faboon.
Oh my god.
Kia fast.
Ito, your
Don't
voice.
stop bang.
Your voice, man. Di ka tao. Di ka tao. Yung boses mo iba. I don't care, lumayas ka dito. Tanda ka pero ganyan boses mo. Oh my god.
Careful as I can.
Nope, it's white catch fits.
Hindi. Lumayas ka dito.
Patay?
Ano siya dito? May kumakatok.
Yes, yes.
Kumakatok. Ano yun? May kumakatok, wait lang. Ay, gagawin ito ba kasi yun? Ay! Customer. Ay, sorry po, sir.
One shawarma. Haven't eaten all day.
Okay.
Alright, that will be 150.
Wait lang, wait lang. Just wait. Okay, you're ano naman.
Yan.
Ba't ganyan mukha mo, sir? But you're... Parang ka naman tao, so... Subali pagbenta na din kita. Uy, huwag ka umutot. Puti ka. Utot ka ng utot.
Ha?
Kakakain mo ng shawarma yan, kaya ka utot na utot.
Here you go.
Mas ka na. I know you farted in my food. Oh my god. Anong umutot ako? Ikaw yun. That smell. I don't care, man.
You're
Just-
lucky I'm hungry.
I don't care.
What's that smell?
Baka ikaw yun. Ikaw yung mutot eh. Grabe, nag-shine yung... Shine na like a grill. Okay.
Hi, I just finished my shift at the
Okay,
gas station. It was a very long night.
Ano yan?
One
Patis,
shawarma
paano?
extra sauce.
Paano mo ganito? Screenshot.
And please do not
Oh my
mind
god,
my eyes.
yung mata niya.
They get like this when I am tired.
Oh my god, yung mata mo. Paano to screenshot?
A few moments later.
Okay. Shut the door up. My god. Makatok. Ano yun?
You're closing because of my eyes, aren't you?
Yes. Oh, yung mata mo. Agad, umalis ka na po. Oh, ikaw na naman. May katok ng katok. Sino yon? Ako lang ba nakarinig nun or dito sa bahay yun? Ano yun? Kala ko yun na yung ano, yung parang police.
Puti yan.
Ito, check ba yan? Sorry. What the
One shawarma and a soda.
What? Ano yun?
Sure, that'll be 200.
Kuya?
Make
Ano
it
yan?
quick. I don't have all day.
Ochocho.
Okay, you're not a human. Okay, screenshot ka sa akin.
Oh, whatever. I'm already in a hurry anyway. I didn't even want it that much.
Okay, you're weird. Malis ka na dito. Okay. Hey, igiling-giling. Oh!
One shawarma, please, yeah, and make it quick.
Okay. to. Parang
Everything
sas to.
feels floated down.
Parang sas to. Parang
Like my
sas.
brain is floating.
Oy.
So malagyan
Give me
natin.
the warm one.
Lagyan natin yung utak mo ng ng shawarma. Okay, mukha ka namang tao. Tignan natin kung may katawan to. Kasi wala daw siya utak, so maybe lahat ng katawan. Okay, kaya saan nakatingin? Sa taas ba? Ano eh? Serious. Ay, serious. Serious. So, kumuha tayo ng ito mayonnaise band. Thai cheese. Yung kasama ko dito nangungulangot na lang. Nangungulangot na lang.
Lalo.
Okay, kumuha
Uy,
tayo ng meat.
pupusyo.
Okay, ayan
Ato.
na. Oo. Okay, ayan na. Wait lang. Okay, ayan na. Bigay mo na yan.
Here's your shawarma, sir. Enjoy. Nice. Warm feels better.
Okay, thank you po. Feel ko anomaly
Can
to.
finally think straight.
Oh, yan. Tama. Lagay mo sa utak mo yan. Okay, yan. Ha! Di mo ko maano, diyan ka lang. Ha! Di mo ko maano. Mautak na ako sa larong ito. So, ngayon ay April 1 na.
Good evening,
Hi.
the kiosk.
Okay,
Night
you're...
carries strange whispers. Warm food helps the body keep its shape.
That will be 300.
Ayoko.
Wait, let me see your face. Tao ba talaga to? Sige. Tao ba to?
Satugay.
Tao ba to, guys? Tinan mo yung...
Sado mo.
Wait. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. Screenshot to tol. Screenshot to tol. Oh my god. Oh. Yak. Yak. Yak kadiri. Oh my god. Get out. Get out. Ano yun? Ano yan? Oh my god. Yak.
Interestingly, refuse
Yak.
to
Yak.
serve.
Yak. 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 Ew.
That
Ew.
is why some
Ano
foods should
yun?
not be fed.
Kadiri. Ano yun? Wala na. Okay, wala na. Soy, wala pa.
One shawarma, please, yeah, and make it quick.
Ayman.
Everything feels slow today.
Kaka.
Ikaw na naman.
Like my brain is floating. Just give me the warm one.
Parang kakaano mo lang kanina. I think this ay anomaly maybe. Nope.
Hey, wait,
Kakarating mo lang kanina, boy.
don't do that. I can't think like this.
I don't care, just get out. Angat to. Angat to. Oh, tama ako. Sabi sa inyo eh. Sabi sa iyo, boy. Yeah. Sabi sa inyo, anomaly yun.
One shawarma and soda.
Ha?
One
Sure,
shawarma.
that'll be
Okay.
200.
Mukha namang safe, sir.
Just a moment, it'll be ready.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay, ano to? Ano yan? Parang may tayo sa likod niya. Ay ba yan, sir? Bokong pala yan, sir. Pagpasensya na. Palakot. Ito na. Pagbenta na kita. Ha? Okay, kuya. Pwede mo na. You forgot something. Ano? Ito ba? Coffee ba hinihingi niya or ano? Wala ko ano hinihingi na ito eh. Soda ba hinihingi mo? Soda nga. Okay, here go, sir.
Here's your shawarma, still hot.
Okay.
Finally, some warmth. You saved my night.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Ingat.
One shawarma,
Okay.
please.
Hi.
Anong boses yan?
Long day.
Yasi.
My head hurts.
Gibi.
I keep feeling pressure on one side.
That's 100.
Oh my god. Ano yun? What the frick? Ano yan? Oh my god, dumaba yung ulo. Putulin ko yan.
Tusok. Uy. Uy.
What? Ano yan? Umalis ka dito. Mahaba ulo mo. Si ate na naman.
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Ayun naman.
Alright, that will be 100.
Okay, let's see muna. Okay, ate, your ano naman? Hindi natin dito ba may nanan dito. Tayo saan? Okay, ito yung mga ano natin. So, hindi ko alam kung nasan dito yung ano. Ay, so ate, siguro pag benta na lang siguro kita kasi feel ko you're ano naman, you're a people. You're a tao naman, okay? Okay, bigay mo na yan. Okay, ate, arigato gozaimasu.
Finally, smells amazing.
Okay, arigato. Bye-bye.
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Alright, that will be 150.
You again? Oh my god, ngayon bungo ka na. Screenshot to sa akin. Oh my god, ano yan? Oh my god, umalis ka ate. Kanina okay na eh. Hindi kumakatok na naman.
Seriously, you just closed it in my face. I've been starving all day.
Makakatok na naman talaga. Di ko alam kung dito yung sa laro na yun or dito talaga sa bahay namin. Di ko alam. Okay, umalis ka na ate.
Toso.
Tanggal mo na.
Hello again. One shawarma, please.
Hello again, did we meet? Did we meet ba?
Weren't you here before? Before, yes, before.
Di pa talaga.
It tasted warm. I
Did
like
that-
that.
Okay, may mukha siya sa likod. Okay, picture natin ito sa labas. Picture natin ito sa labas, tol. Oh, this is weird, bro. Ang weird, tol. Ang weird yan, tol. Time ko na ma-edit na thumbnail. Time ko na masasalpak sa thumbnail ko, bisit. Okay, get out of here. May something ka sa ulo mo. Ha? Ano? Ha?
You forgot
Di ka na
to
makatayo
smile.
dyan. Ikaw lumayas ka na dito.
It's alright.
Ang init
I
ah.
remember for you.
Okay, you remember me. I don't remember you. I don't care. Just get out of here. I don't care kung tandaan mo ako. Lagi siya. Okay.
Do shawarma, no grill. And yeah, I'm in training.
Okay.
Protein day, don't judge.
Schedule this.
Got it.
Protein days. So, ba't mailaw yung ano? Okay. Parang nag-glow yung ano niya. Ay, hindi. Parang kasi nag-glow yung ano niya eh. Ay, nag-glow yung ano eh. Lahat naman nag-glow eh. Hindi. Pero sige, pagbenta na natin si ate, mukha ng protein, shawarma. Tapos na tayo, okay? Here we go.
Here's your shawarma.
Perfect.
More.
Don't let the size fool you. I train hard. This is my reward meal. I haven't eaten for a whole hour.
Ano mali yun? Ano mali yun?
I got it.
Ano yun?
I got it.
Kala ko yun na yung ano, expect. Hindi, tao yun yung parang fruits.
Tao.
Evening.
Okay, evening din.
Evening, what would you like? One
Would you
shawarma
like-
and a soda, please. That will be 200.
Wait, ano yung nasa mukha mo? Wait. Kita nyo ba? Ayun nasa mukha nyo. Out. Get out. Get out of here. Napakainit.
Wait, you are not serving me. Alright, I will go somewhere else.
Pumunta ka doon. Makatok na naman. Makatok na naman, guys. Wala lang kung sino yun.
Gas station nearby. Give me one shawarma, extra sauce. Sure thing, 100.
Okay, you're kind of safe naman. Sige, pagbigyan na natin si Kuya. Nagtatrabaho siya ng marangal. Nagtatrabaho siya ng marangal sa kanyang ano.
Sarap.
Sarap. Ano siya? Shawarma. Shawarma. Sabi mo, shawarma. Ha? Shawarma.
Here you go. Damn, better than our vending machine.
Wow, better than our vending machine, right? Ha? Wow. Kinompliment mo pa yung ano namin. Nang bola ka pa. Bolahin ko mukha kami. So, ano to? Sartip na tayo. Hey! Iba? Hey! Joke lang. Tama na yan. Wala naman bang mga... Okay, labas tayo dyan. Labas tayo dyan. Oh my god, what is that? What the frick is this? Oh my god. Oh my god, screenshot to. Oh my god, look at this creepy dude. Look at this creepy dude, man.
Oh, you scared me. What do you want?
Shawarma now.
Nope, get out.
That will be 150, please.
Get out. You're big.
I was so hungry and this is what you do to me? Fine, you'll see what it means to ignore me.
Yeah, I don't care. Okay. Cos, ano yung may badge ako? Hindi ko nakatay badge ko, pero okay lang yan. Ay, bastos! Bastos ka! Bastos ka! Sarap-parapa ko pa talaga. Pwede ka ba? Pwede ka boy ah. Pwede ka boy. Lumayas ka na dito. Lumayas ka na dito, tol. Hindi na kita kailangan.
Balat ka. Balat.
Tatawag na ako ng 911. Bahala ka dyan. 911. Patay ka. Ayun sila. Oh, tayo tumawag ng 911. Magano? Okay, it's glowing. Okay,
One shawarma, please.
Wow,
nag-ano,
ilaw.
giilaw siya. Okay, I think
That will
anomaly
be
yata to.
175.
Anomaly yata to kasi nag-glow. Okay.
Make one,
So,
extra
no.
garlic.
Got it.
Nope, hindi kita pagsaserve.
Long night ahead. Seriously? Fine,
Yep, seriously.
I will go somewhere else.
Pwede umalis ka na.
Uy!
No. Hindi ka na namin kailangan dito. Okay. Labas. Oh my god. Labas tayo dyan, tol. Ano to? Oh no, what just happened? Oh no. Ano to? No, please wag. Tatrabaho ko ng marangal. Doon. Wag po. Wag. Tatrabaho ko ng marangal doon. Ako ay nagtatrabaho doon kuya. Wag. Anong pangalan mo? Police. Tatrabaho ko ng marangal doon. Tapos gaganyanin mo ko. No? Hindi pwede to. Patay na ako. Oh my god. Bye. So, yun lang ang video para sa araw na to at sana naman nag-enjoy kayo. So, subscribe na din kayo dyan sa akin at like nyo na din yung video and share nyo na rin. So, yun lang. So, magbabay ka na sa kanila. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Paalam!